Following the completion of biennial elections of the Pakistan Federal Union of Journalists PFUJ, newly elected office bearers have been receiving congratulatory messages from around the globe. PFUJ happens to be the only affiliate of International Federation of Journalists IFJ in Pakistan, representing 600,000 media workers belonging to 140 countries all over the world. Secretary General IFJ Anthony Bellanger, Deputy Secretary IFJ Jeremy Deere, and Director IFJ Asia Pacific Jane Worthington felicitated President G M Jamali, Secretary General Rana Muhammad Azeem, and other members of the newly elected body of PFUJ. Chairman Pakistan People's Party Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, while addressing President G M Jamali and Secretary General Rana Muhammad Azeem, congratulated all the elected members. Bilawal Bhutto Zardari reiterated that PPP had always endeavored to ensure freedom of speech and journalist well-being. He maintained that democracy and free press could not exist without each other. Bilawal Bhutto Zardari expressed hope that PFUJ would continue to earnestly play its due role. Chief Minister Sindh, Syed Murad Shah, and Chief Minister Punjab, Sardar Usman Buzdar also applauded the PFUJ poll results. Leaders of PMLQ, Chaudhry Shujaat Hussain, Chaudhry Parvez Ilahi, and Chaudhry Monis Ilahi, while welcoming the new body, reiterated that PMLQ would continue to resolve the predicaments of media fraternity. PMLN leadership also applauded election of G M Jamali, Rana Muhammad Azeem, and other members of PFUJ. Minister for Information and Broadcasting, Chaudhry Fawad Hussain, also felicitated the newly elected body of PFUJ, congratulating G M Jamali, Rana Muhammad Azeem, Jamil Mirza, and others. Minister for Information and Broadcasting reiterated that the incumbent government believed in freedom of expression, maintaining that measures had been taken to reduce difficulties being faced by the community. Chaudhry Fawad Hussain stated that the government would complete legislation of media workers' rights in coordination with PFUJ. Coordination Committee of MQM Pakistan, in a communique addressed to President PFUJ G M Jamali and General Secretary Rana Muhammad Azeem, highly praised the election of 5 ladies. Minister of State for Information and Broadcasting Farooq Habib and his Special Assistant to Chief Minister Punjab Hassan Khawer hosted a reception in honor of BDM members of PFUJ, converged at Lahore, and assured the support of PTI and Prime Minister Imran Khan.